Hey guys, Drew here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm talking about beta care. Here I am joined by Time, a male veiltail Dumbo ear, white-eared descent beta, Sage, a 5-year-old female veiltail, black and blue, somewhat iridescent beta, Riley, another male veiltail, marble beta, primarily pink with white on his tail splattered with red and blue, and Oscar, my painting of him. Where is he? There he is. He has a fin nipper. Don't be alarmed by his fins. There's nothing I can do. And he expects food, so why not feed him while we tell you how to care for your beta splendens, more commonly known as betas, or Siamese fighting fish. Many people will get betas, expecting them to be an easy, simple pet for their little kid, or sister, or brother. Just a nice, simple pet. This is not the reality. Many people will get their betas and keep them in small bowls. But in small bowls, they don't have enough space to prosper. They can survive, but they will not thrive. They can live, but they won't prosper. It's just not ideal. For example, you know you could live in a small walk-in closet, but do you really want to? Exactly. Betas in the wild live in rice paddies that go on for miles and miles. One of the smallest ever recorded ones was 3 feet in length. I'm not exactly sure how far in width, but it was much further than a bowl. I recommend keeping them in at least a 1 gallon. The smallest tank I have one of mine in right now is a 1 gallon. But that's because she's 5 years old and she doesn't use as much space as the others do. Riley, the one I'm showing you now, and Oscar, the one I just showed you, both are in 2 gallon top fin tanks. Sage is in her aquaculture 1 gallon starter kit, and my other beta, Time, I'm not exactly sure what brand his tank is, but it's a 1.6 gallon I got from Petco. The next thing is, give your betas a varied diet. My betas much prefer mealworms to the silly diets of stores. That's what Riley's eating right now. See how excited he gets for this special little treat? He won't let any bit of it go down. He'll pick it up later. Get your betas a very small, easy filter. If you get a rough, hard filter that moves the water current a lot, it won't simulate their natural habitat and they will have trouble swimming. This is why I rarely use Time's filter until he grows older. He's still very small and young now, and it pushes him around in his tank a bit. He struggles to swim. Let's see his reaction to mealworm for the second time. He loves it. My betas, except for Sage, aren't fussed about tank lights. Sage loves hers, but the others couldn't care less. She's special. But betas do have to have the lights turned off at night. In the aquaculture 1 gallon starter kit, I got this light, which has a timer. Right now it's set to go on for the next 4 hours. But you can make it also for the next 2 hours, or until you come and turn it off. It also has many colors. But I would not recommend putting it on the setting where it changes colors. This stresses the fish out with it changing so much. I also wouldn't recommend the ones like this that blink or even fade into the others. What's best to do is a solid color or a white light. Pretty much anything other than flashing will not stress them out. Next, plants, hidey holes. Plants, hidey holes. Plants, toy, hidey hole. Plants, hidey hole, toy. Especially if you're doing a sorority tank, betas love to have heavily planted tanks. My betas prefer fabric plants, as do pretty much all betas. It's not good if your beta has plastic plants that are not soft, such as ones like this one, but out of plastic. They will tear your beta's huge, beautiful, delicate fins. Hidey holes are also good. As you can see, Sage is almost in hers now, swimming around it. She loves it. Anyways, guys, that is part 1 of beta fish care. Thank you for watching. Bye.